In front of me is Xiaomi Mix Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on allow. Then choose alarm section at the bottom left corner and click on this plus at the bottom right one. Then set up an hour. And if you want to use this alarm only once, click on this switcher next to the light after it goes off to switch on or off this feature. If you want to use it more than once, use repeat option and apply the best one. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. If you decided to select custom, you can pick days of the week and save them by hitting OK. Then go back to access ringtone section. Tap on one of those or choose all ringtones here. Then you can pick any of those options. Like for example, by choosing pre-installed ringtones, you can tap on apply next to one of those and hit OK to set it up. Then allow in the pop-up. But you can also use this plus at the bottom right corner. Click on one of those sound sources and tap on any song from your device to set it up. To do that, click on the chosen one and hit OK at the bottom left corner. Then go back, select allow. Click on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to switch it off or on. Select label by typing in whatever you want to and hitting set. And last but not least, use the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully added. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on your alarm, tap on additional settings and change whatever you want to. And to get rid of it, just hold it and hit remove at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!